7 die in fire at food processor factory. At least 7 people died yesterday while 3 others were in critical condition after a fire at a factory of a major Taiwanese food processor. The blaze began at a of Lianhua Foods Corp factory in Changhua County at about 6 a.m., trapping 22 employees in the building before a Changhua County Fire Bureau rescue team arrived. Bureau Chief Shi Shun Zhen told reporters that the 22 people were pulled out of the building, but 10 of them did not have any vital signs. The 10 were among 15 employees who took refuge in the factory's refrigerated warehouse, Shi said. Li Wen-chin, an official with the Ministry of Labor's Occupational Safety and Health Administration, said the factory had no record of contraventions of safety regulations. The ministry would work with the Fire Bureau to determine whether the fire was caused by human error, Li said, adding that the factory's operations were suspended pending further investigation. The fire was extinguished at about 9:12 a.m., said the Bureau, which was investigating the cause of the fire, but did not offer any preliminary conclusions. Lianhua Foods said it suspected that the blaze began when one or more of its machines caught fire, but added that the investigation was still ongoing. The company said it did not expect the incident to have any material impact on its operations. It said it reassigned production to other plants to make up for the loss of capacity at the Changhua factory, and indicated that the factory was insured and that the insurance claim process had begun. Food processor factory. Food processor factory.
食品处理工厂
Critical. Critical.
严重的、危险的、具关键性的、具决定性的
Blaze. Blaze.
大火、猛烈的火势
Employee. Employee.
员工、受雇者
Vital signs. Vital signs.
生命迹象
Take refuge in something. Take refuge in something.
到某地避难，将某地当作避难场所
Refrigerated warehouse. Refrigerated warehouse.
冷冻仓库
Contravention. Contravention.
违法行为
Regulation. Regulation.
规则、规定、法规、控制、管理、监管
Suspend. Suspend.
停止、暂停、终止
Investigation. Investigation.
调查、侦查
Extinguish. Extinguish.
熄灭、扑灭、火焰或光亮
Preliminary conclusion. Preliminary conclusion.
初步的结论
Incident. Incident.
指不好的事故、事件
Make up for something. Make up for something.
补偿、弥补、改善
Capacity. Capacity.
产能、产量、容量、处理能力
Insurance claim. Insurance claim.
保险理赔